Hi friends! I will cook humba na pata or pork leg adobo. This is easy to cook. And here are the ingredients. Now I will start cooking. I'll place the chopped pork legs in the pot and then I will add all the ingredients. So I added already the vinegar and then the other ingredients such as the soy sauce, and then followed by the spices. Garlic, I like more garlic, and you know that garlic is medicinal. And then I have here black pepper, crushed black pepper, and then bay leaves, which will make our recipe smell good and tasty. And then seasoning, you put the seasoning to your desired taste. Now mix well. You know this recipe is easy to make and you would love to eat this one with hot rice. Delicious! Then we will cook this for more than an hour or until the meat is tender. So we need to stir it from time to time and also check if it still has its broth. If the meat is still hard and the broth is reduced, we have to add water. Then let it simmer until the meat is tender. Now my pork leg adobo is ready. Thanks for watching.